Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew by Hilda Baci. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have quality produce for the best flavor. We'll cover everything from selecting your meats and vegetables to the final simmering process. This guide will help you create a rich, flavorful stew that's perfect for any meal, following a renowned chef's approach. Get ready to cook a delicious dish. To begin, select your protein. About 1.5 kilograms of beef or chicken works wonderfully. For the base, you'll need 5 large tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, and 1 large onion, all blended smoothly. Don't forget about 250 milliliters of good vegetable oil, plus your essential spices like curry powder, thyme, and bay leaves. A touch of ginger, garlic, and a few Scotch bonnet peppers will add a fantastic kick. Start by sautéing your chopped onions in about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil until they are translucent. Next, add your blended pepper mix and cook it down for at least 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. This step is crucial for developing a deep, rich flavor base for your stew. Then, introduce your pre-cooked protein and stir everything together thoroughly, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your protein is incorporated, it's time to adjust the seasoning. Add salt to taste, and a small amount of sugar can balance the acidity if necessary. Toss in a few bay leaves for an aromatic touch, then let the stew simmer gently for another 30 to 45 minutes. This allows the flavors to deepen and the stew to thicken to a perfect consistency. Serve your rich, flavorful stew hot with your favorite side, like rice or boiled yam.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.